Hello everybody, today I'm going to be a tier list. um, so I'm pretty excited to do this. So many ads real quick, let me just Alright, let's start with Bob. Let's see. Glad they exist, pretty good, cool, pretty bad, sad they exist. Glad they exist, they literally started everything. Rob. Um, Pretty good, I mean, this was my first creation, so. Ooh, Melto. He's not my favorite, but Deprob. No, they're pretty cool. I like them. Scob, also known as Scared Bob, which is on the mini-map, which I might delete because it has no use anymore. Like, I never see anyone use it. So, he's cool, but, you know, could be better. This one. I'll just say this one, because I don't remember his name. Not my favorite. He's hard to get, though. Oh, so, now we have Bobbette. Let's put Bobbette in cool. Spop. Fun fact, I never actually knew this character's name until apparently Blue Jay said I named him Spop, so that's his canon name. Pretty good. He's cool. I like him. Lav. Both of these characters, Lav and Slime, or Slim, whatever your name is. I don't even know some of the names of these characters, there's so many. Vime. He's only been in one episode of Bob and Friends. And I'm surprised he even made it there. Uwu Plant. Uwu Plant. Sad they exist. I regret making this one so bad. This one's terrible. Eunuch. The Umbrella. He's cool. I like him. I'm gonna boost him up to glad they exist, because he's cool. Trollface. Look at this dude's smile. Pretty good. Try. Has no lore, and I used to think they couldn't talk. So, he's kind of just bad reputation. Not really, but not my favorite. Totoro. I like his character, but the one, like, I'm aiming towards one of these two. I'll put him in cool. Ooh, Stickman. I did not create this character. It was actually, my brother's cousin who created it, so I really like this character, and, there's gonna be lore with them really soon, so they'll make sense. Okay, Times Theme made this. Square Bob. It's another Bob clone, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm aiming towards one of these. I'll put him in cool, which is in between those. I like his character. Mr. Sands. Okay, Mustard Man. I think he's greedy, so I'm glad he exists. Or this was Jack. He's pretty cool. Snee, he hasn't come out yet. He's going to come out soon on the next update with the desert. That's all I'm gonna say. I think he's too easy to find and I'm not moving him, so all I'll say is behind granite. Alright, so we have my brother's creation, which is Sketchy Bobette. Um, I'm aiming towards one of these. I'll put him in, pretty good, cause, like, he's hard to get. That was the first legendary. And, like I said, these two will have some lore coming, so. Okay, I completely forgot this character existed, and I don't really like this character, so sorry. Lanterny. This was just a test character. Project. He'll have lore. Oh wait, they're all matching. Rasting. He's cool. Punkiev. Pretty good. Potato Shark. This one has lore, so he's cool. Nymphin, or however you pronounce the flower that's on the thing, the lily pad. What? No lore, it's just a random character I made. Alright, I made this character for a friend, so I really like this character and he has lore. Let's get straight to another character I made for my friend. He's pretty good too. Soulless though. Wait, when he's down here he has normal eyes. When he's up here, soulless. My eyes. Oh, reminds me of Tom from what was it called? Ed's World. Yeah. Memories. I'm not saying why, but he'll have lore. Magenta. Blue J65 made this and I just put him in the game, so he's cool. One of the first Muentos I ever made. Limbless Bob hasn't come out yet. Putting that as misery, please. Lily. Cool. Yeah. Larry. I'm sad. Okay. Lee. Pretty bad. I mean, it's just weird leafy. This one. Pretty good. Jerry. He's the star of the show. I regret doing that. No, wait, what? Why did. What? I'm actually gonna put. I'm gonna put these like that. Yeah, the Jackson. He runs on trains and that's illegal. He's pretty bad. This thing. I hate this close up. I hate this close up. He's pretty bad. Hob. He's pretty decent. I like him. Um, Brain.exe is not loading. I'm glad they exist. Frogon. An instant pretty good. Oh, come on, you gotta like this character. I just redrew Blue Jay's version, which was the original. I still gotta redraw some of these characters. Like, I know I have to redraw. Where is it? It's like some of these characters I need to redraw, such as. There's some that I just like project. I didn't really redraw him, I just put ice and then that line and made his smile a frown. So he'll be getting a redesign soon. Fenway, I completely forgot this character existed. Evil Rob. Why is this image bigger than... Okay then. You, Mr. Fighty Edgar dude. You're pretty cool. Now it looks like you have an infection. A Bungie. Oh, you can't get this character anymore, but I'm really proud of this character, so I'll put them. Glad they exist. Oh, okay then. Evil Bob. He has lore, and that's pretty cool. Daimo. Cool. Create. He's cool. You. I'm glad he exists. You'll have lore, too. Pretty bad. You're going straight to the front of the line. Or, yeah, down here. Controlled. Doesn't have lore. Well, he will, so I'll boost him up to pretty bad, but... Chlamydian. I still have yet to actually make this character, canon. Even though he's in the game, I need to make him do things, alright? So, no, once I do the thing, I'm gonna really like this, so pretty good. Bob Ross. Alex. Train conductor dude. Or something. Pretty good. Borrow. He borrows bark. Bark, bark. Please don't cancel me. Alright, 90-degree Bob. Why is he even on this list? When I know that he's gonna go straight to glad they exist. His design's cool, but it's like he's too easy to fight, especially with that nuke. Like that nuke is powerful. It like instant kills him. So this is my tier list, huh? 14 minutes and 35 seconds on this video. So I'll go now. Bye.